Today we're diving into mastering freshwater aquatic plants as a beginner. Are you ready to transform your aquarium with some greenery? Let's get started. Have you ever looked at professional aquascapes and wondered, how can I make my tank look like that? Today, I'll show you that starting your first planted aquarium is easier than you think. We'll cover the easiest starter plants, essential care tips, and the amazing benefits plants can bring to your fish and tank environment. Let's kick things off with a story. Imagine you've just got your first aquarium and you want to add some life to it. Not just fish, but plants. You're not sure where to start, right? Well, let me tell you about Jamie. Jamie was exactly in your shoes. A beginner with a passion but little experience. She started with easy plants like Anubias and Java Fern, plants known for their hardiness and low light requirements. These plants transformed her murky water into a vibrant, thriving ecosystem. Jamie's fish became more active, and the tank was healthier overall. Now, consider two aquarists, Alex and Casey. Alex took the time to learn about substrate and proper planting, while Casey just stuck the plants into the gravel any old way. 6 months later, Alex's tank is flourishing, a little jungle under glass, while Casey's plants struggle to root and grow. This shows just how crucial the right start can be. And then there's Sam. Sam was constantly fighting algae, a common headache for many of us. But after introducing fast-growing plants like hornwort and water wisteria, which absorb excess nutrients, his algae problems significantly reduced. Sam's story is a great example of how aquatic plants can be both beautiful and beneficial. Remember when I mentioned tank maintenance? Well, maintaining your planted tank is simpler than you might think. Regular trimming, proper feeding, and light control can keep your plants healthy, which in turn keeps your tank clean and your fish happy. If you're thinking that this sounds great but still feels a bit complex, don't worry. I've got another video titled Top 5 Low-Maintenance Aquatic Plants that you'll want to check out. It's perfect for you if you want beauty without the hassle. Click the link in the description below to watch it next. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might be starting their own aquatic journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy planting, and I'll see you in the next video.